Hand tools for electrical maintenance identify basic tools and their safety aspects. Tips for hand tool safety.
Voltage tester.
The toolkit standby with a relatively self-explanatory name. Voltage indicators, or multimeters, are handheld devices used for testing whether a live current is present in a particular location. They are primarily employed for safety purposes when checking cabling, switches, junction boxes, or similar equipment. The presence of voltage is indicated by the illumination of a light-emitting diode. If this light appears, electricians know to shut down the current before beginning work. This is a vital safeguard and one required by health and safety legislation. Most voltage indicator models feature redundant circuits and resistance to electrical surges for additional safety. Safety knives are not just a specialist professional tool, they are in fact familiar to most of us. We may know them as Stanley knives, utility knives, pen knives, or box cutters. The principle remains the same whatever name is used. The knife blade is shielded for safety at most times and only extended when the tool is actually in use, thereby minimizing accidents and injuries. Some models feature spring-loaded sliders that automatically retract the blade after use.
Hex keys take their name from the hexagonal fasteners and fixings they are used to adjust. Another common name is Allen key or Allen wrench. They can be made from steel, or nickel, and sometimes bronze or copper alloys. There are 4 principal types: straight hex keys, L-shaped ones, folding hex keys, and T-handles. Straight hex keys are used as extensions to screwdrivers and allow these to apply torque to hexagonal fastenings. L-shaped keys have identical heads at either end, so they can be used either way round, but with differing leverage. The shorter end provides more while the longer end allows access to more confined spaces. As the name suggests, folding hex keys can be stored easily. Finally, the handles on the T-handle variety are more ergonomic, allowing a firmer grip to be applied. Claw hammers feature a standard hammer on one side of the tool, primarily used for inserting fixtures like nails, and a dual steel claw at the other end, which is designed to enable the easy removal of the same nails or similar fixtures by applying a robust grip. Claw hammers are useful to gain access to sealed spaces, for example, fuse boxes hidden behind the paneling. Chisels are another ancient tool that have lost none of their power or utility in the present day, providing a powerful and time-honored method of breaking through wood, stone, brick, concrete, and similar materials. Modern chisels are made from various steel alloys. Electricians' chisels are a specialist variation used to cut channels in walls during installation procedures. Popular sizes to keep in your toolkit include 5 mm, 10 mm, 16 mm, 18 mm, 20 mm, 50 mm. Torches are another common item that are always handy to keep in the toolkits of electricians and other professionals. Many different designs are available, but smaller torches powered by LEDs rather than traditional bulbs are typically favored by professionals. They are lighter and easier to carry without sacrificing illumination. The job of the torch to electricians is a simple one. They allow work in darkened areas, for example, a building in which the lighting has failed or the power is switched off. Head torches attached to helmets or hats may be required if both hands are needed for precise work.